Hello everyone, welcome back to the Learn Up. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 10 free and unlimited AI video generator tools that can turn your text and images into realistic videos, completely free. Some of these tools can even make long cinematic videos up to 5 minutes, just like Sora 2 or Veo 3. So make sure you watch till the end, because the number 1 tool on this list is truly mind-blowing. So without any further delay, let's jump right onto the screen. Number 10. Magi. To use this tool, sign up with your email and you'll instantly get 500 free credits. Click New Project, upload your image, then hit the plus icon to add your prompt. Finally, click Generate to create your video. However, since this tool ranks number 10 on my list, it's not the best. It usually takes 10 to 15 minutes to generate a single video, and the quality isn't great. You can try it if you want, but personally, I don't recommend it because I have more best and powerful AI in my list, so keep watching till the end. Number 9. AI Video Maker. Open your browser and go to the AI Video Maker website. The interesting thing is that here you don't have to sign up. Just click on the Image to Video button, upload your image and type a short description or vibe for your scene, and hit Generate. It will take about 2 to 5 minutes to create it, and a preview of your video will appear. It usually takes 2 to 5 minutes to create your first video, but later ones can take longer, around 10 to 12 minutes. So the more videos you create through it, the more time it will take. Here's a trick. Open a new incognito window for each video, and you can keep generating new ones in just a few minutes. The quality is surprisingly good for a free tool, so definitely give it a try. Number 8. ToMovie Studio. First, sign up using your email. Then go to Video Generation and select Image to Video. Upload your images. You can even set the first and last frame. Enter your prompt, choose the camera movement, and click Generate. It creates high-quality videos in about 1 to 2 minutes. The only limitation is the credit system. New users get 80 credits, and each video with audio costs 30 credits, so you can make around 2 videos for free. Don't worry, there is a trick to create unlimited videos from here. When your first account credit runs out, you will open an incognito window and enter this website. Also, open a new tab and copy a temporary email. Then create a new account using this email. After entering your email and password, go to your previous account and copy the referral code and paste it in the invitation box, then click on the Create Account button. Now verify the account with the verification code. Then you will see the surprise. You will get 130 credits in your new account, and at the same time you will get 50 credits in your old account. In this way, you can create unlimited videos if you want. Number 7. Vheer. This one's super simple, no sign-up required. Just upload your images, write a short prompt, and click Generate. Within a minute, it'll create a smooth, realistic video. The best part? You can make unlimited videos completely free, fast, easy, and fun. Definitely worth checking out. Number 6. Slop Club. This is a really cool platform, kind of like the social media version of Sora 2. You can create text-to-video and image-to-video content with audio, then publish it directly there. It creates high-quality videos in about a minute, with smooth motion and detailed visuals. And you can create unlimited videos for absolutely free. To download any video, just click the share icon and download. It's a creative community and a video generator in one, so give it a try. I think it's great, and I'd love to hear what you think. Number 5. Google AI Studio. Many of you may know, and many may not be aware of it yet. With Google Studio, you can create videos from images and text without sound for absolutely free. However, there is a limitation. Here you can create 10 videos per day with one account. To create more videos, you need to log in with another Gmail. Each video can be 1 to 8 seconds long, and the quality is impressive for a free Google tool. Definitely worth checking out. Number 4. Meta AI. Created by Facebook, Meta AI lets you generate image-to-video clips for free, and there's no limit. It takes about a minute to create a 5-second video with a very realistic quality. If you want quick, short AI videos from images, Meta AI is an excellent choice. Don't skip this one. It's one of the most reliable free tools available. Number 3. Grok AI. Grok has recently introduced a new feature called Imagine, which can turn images into short AI videos. Just upload an image, describe the scene or motion you want, and Grok will generate a realistic video within seconds. It's fast, simple, and completely free to use. This makes Grok a great choice for quick image-to-video generation. Number 2. Sora. Developed by OpenAI, Sora 2 can transform text or images into ultra-realistic cinematic videos. It maintains perfect character consistency so your character looks the same in every scene. You'll need invite access to use it, but once you're in, just upload your image, enter your prompt, and it'll create a stunning, realistic video in minutes. And how to remove Sora video watermarks. Please watch my previous video. I have made a dedicated video on how to remove Sora 2 video watermarks completely free. Number 1. MovieFlow.ai. This is my favorite AI tool because it's one of the best free platforms for creating long AI videos, from 8 seconds all the way up to 5 minutes. Just enter a short prompt, select your video language, choose the duration and aspect ratio, and MovieFlow will generate a stunning, realistic video with smooth camera motion, perfect scene transitions, and consistent characters throughout. The best part is it's completely free, and you can create unlimited videos with it. You can even make full AI short films or cinematic stories using this tool. That's why MovieFlow.ai easily takes the number 1 spot on my list.
Some days the forest just breathes. You just have to breathe with it. That's the job. To watch. To listen.
So these were the top 10 free AI video generator tools you can start using right now to bring your images to life. And to remove the watermark, you can use this free website. Let me know in the comments, which tool impressed you the most? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Learn Up for more AI tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!